Hello everyone, welcome to today's video of Paper Pops. Today we are going to do a tutorial on how to make a paper crown. For that you need a square sheet of paper and let's fold it diagonally across. And open it. Now let's fold the paper into half so that we'll get a rectangle, and press down on the crease properly and fold the rectangle into half again so that we'll get a square, and press down again and open it. Now we have to take this end and fold to the center of the rectangle. So we fold it and do the same on the other side. Now open it. Now we've got three lines over here. One is here, that's the center line, and the third line over here. Now opening up the top part just a bit and putting your hand on the crease over here. If you press over there, you will get a triangle, and we are going to press down on that triangle, and we'll do the same on the opposite side. So now we've got two triangles over here. Now coming to the next step, we've got this part over here. I'm going to take this corner and bring it to the center. Do the same on the remaining side. Now we've got an upside down triangle here. I'm going to flip it upwards so that we've got three triangles on the top part. Here is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we're going to flip the paper and we are going to fold this backwards along the crease lines. On both sides we fold it and do the same which we did on the other side, that is bringing the corners to the center. And we are going to flip the triangle upwards. Okay, this is what we have right now, and if we open to the base of the triangle, we find a pocket here. We're going to open the pocket. Open the pocket, and from the top we'll gently press down. And voila, we are done. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment below. Thank you for watching.